Hello buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off the dark mode on your Motorola Moto G53. For that, you want to go to your settings, and here are my settings here, and then go to display and go to dark theme. You can enable this now by just clicking on it, but you can also set a schedule. So you can say turn on at a custom time or turn on from sunset to sunrise. If you choose this, make sure that your location is on, because otherwise your phone doesn't really know when you have sunset or sunrise. But you can also say turn on at a custom time, and then it will turn on at the time that you've set here. So we say at 8 p.m. tonight it will turn on, and then at 7 in the morning it will turn off again. So tonight the dark mode will appear, and then tomorrow in the morning the light mode will appear again. So now we disable this, and then tonight at 8 this will turn on, and then tomorrow at 7 in the morning it will turn off again. But you can also totally go ahead and just enable it and then disable it whenever you say so. The dark mode will save you some battery. It's also nice for your eyes if you're like under low light conditions, and it also gives you just a chic appearance. So that's how you enable and disable the dark mode on your Motorola Moto G53. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.